In this video, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to make an elasticated short with elastic waistband, as you can see. So this is a very simple tutorial. Make sure you watch up to the end and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to be using this beautiful Africa printed fabric. I have two pieces, one for the front and one for the back. So we're going to start by drafting the front piece, then later on we'll move on to the back piece. So I'm going to fold my fabric at the center, as you can see. Then I'm going to draw a starting line just at the top. This line is a guiding starting line. And then I'm going to mark 2 inches for my waistband. So I'm just going to get my measuring tape and mark 2 inches. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Then from the waist, I'm going to measure my waist to hip measurement. So you just take the measuring tape from your waist to your hip. Then I'll draw a horizontal line across. Then next I'll take the crotch depth measurement. You can sit on a flat surface and measure from your waist down to the seat, or alternatively you can just divide your hip by 4. So that is the crotch depth. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line across, as you can see. Then the next thing I'm going to do is determine the short's full length. Place the measuring tape from the waist, not on the waistband. Start from that line, the waistline, down to your desired length and add hemming allowance. Then I'll draw a horizontal line, as you can see. Then I'm going to mark my hip circumference, divide by 4 plus wearing ease and seam allowance. I'll mark it on my waistline. So I'm marking it on my waistline because this pattern is going to have this short is going to have an elastic waistband. So we're going to be working with the hip measurement. So I'll mark the same hip measurement on my hip line and on my crotch depth, as you can see. Then I'm going to draw a vertical straight line connecting the 3 points from the waist, hip, and the crotch, and the waistband all the way up to the waistband. Then the next thing we're going to find is the crotch extension. So to find this crotch extension, you're going to divide that measurement on the hip, waist, and crotch by 4. So that is 7. Divide by 4 is going to be 1.75. You can as well just fold your measuring tape 4 times if you don't want to work with a calculator or you don't want to do any calculations. So we have 1.75 inches, which can as well be rounded off to 2, which is okay. So we're going to mark it over there, and that is the crotch extension. Then I'm going to curve this crotch extension. You can use a French curve. If you don't want to use a French curve, you can just use your free hand. It's all up to you. So if you're using your free hand, all you have to do is just do a curve as I'm doing it. Then connect from the extension down to the full length. So this is the front pattern. I'm just going to cut it out, as you can see. Then we're now going to start drafting the back piece. So the back piece is slightly bigger than the front. I'm just going to fold the fabric that I'm going to be using for the back, as you can see. Then I'm going to get the front pattern. I'll place it on top of this back piece. Then as you can see me do, I'll just place it up there. Then I'll do a little modification. So on this waistline, I'm just going to go inwards by 1.5 inch. On my waistline, I'll do the same by 1.5 inch. Then on the hip, I'm going to go outwards by 2 inches, and on the crotch by 2 inches as well, and all the way in the downwards by 2 inches. So I'm just going to mark, as you can see, the 2 inches. So this is for the back. Connect everything. So guys, if you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So next I'm just going to connect the points, as you can see. Then I'm going to cut it out. But before I cut out, I just get my pins and pin everything together. That will help me to just then cut out. So this is how you draft your shorts pattern, guys. Very easy tutorial. Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sew these shorts. So just check out my next video and you'll learn how to sew these beautiful shorts. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. So on the back side, I'm also marking that waist elastic band. So this is the elastic band I'm going to be using to sew. And you have to measure your waist measurements, subtract 4 inches. So we're going to show you how to do everything in my sewing tutorial.